Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are jumping right into the video. We're going to be filling up some lip gloss wand tubes and putting together my holiday gift set that I decided to do for the holidays. It's like a really good value deal. You get 5 lip glosses in the wand tube style for $29.99, and it is a $39.95 value, so you save like $10. It's such a good deal. I started off with filling up my clear quartz gloss. And right now I'm just counting to make sure I had the right amount of each color. I made 4 gift set total, and then I wanted to add a couple extra for my site. So yeah. I'm jamming out to this song. I like to edit with the sound on because, or like the music on, just because it makes it a little bit more bearable to edit, because editing is so time consuming. And my clear quartz gloss is infused with peppermint oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E oil, and I use the fractionated coconut oil. Someone asked me like what was the best kind of coconut oil to use, and I like to use the fractionated one. And now I'm filling up my gloss in citrine. And I know I was kind of making a mess, so sorry if that annoys you because I'm just a little clumsy, but I have my setup where there's lots of paper towel everywhere so I can kind of, clean up my mistakes. And the citrine gloss is lemon verbena scented. It smells so good. I love it. And I also have the names of the lip glosses written down. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but just so I knew how many of each gloss that I was making. And like I counted them out and then put them in their section. So that's why you notice that the glosses are like in little, they're like in their own area. And now we're doing Shelly. Shelly is named after my mom. And it's a really pretty red tinted lip gloss with a little bit of glitter. I dropped the tube just now. I was debating if I was going to edit that out, but it's fine. It just made a little mess. Oh my gosh, and it's still spilling out. Ew. It's okay though. Yeah, it's annoying that I'm wasting a little bit of lip gloss, but it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. Just clean it up and keep on going like nothing happened. Don't be too hard on yourself whenever you're making your lip gloss. As long as you're being sanitary and, making your lip gloss with love and good intention, it's going to come out good. Stay positive and you can do it. At first, I was a little nervous whenever I was like, I'm about to start making my lip gloss. And then after the first 2 or 3 times, I was like, I got this. I'm good. And you can do it too. I needed to stock up on Shelly because I was like running low. I was almost sold out, so I filled up a couple extra tubes. And you guys, I don't know if I mentioned it, but she is Tropical Punch scented. Smells so good. This is inspired after my mom's favorite lip gloss. And now I'm starting on my Ashley lip gloss named after me. This lip gloss is really pretty. It looks good on every skin tone. That's why I love it so much. And it is pineapple scented. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys want a video of me trying on my lip glosses so you guys can see what it looks like on my lips. Because I know swatches can be misleading sometimes. But yeah, comment below. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. Now I'm mixing up the selenite because I decided I wanted to add 1 extra gloss. At first I was only going to do 4. Then I was like, no, I'm going to do 5 because these colors together are like perfect Christmas colors. So yeah, I'm just filling up the syringe now. I just love watching the gloss fall in the tube or the syringe, I don't know why. I really don't know why, but I'm preparing my pipette, just cutting off the 2 ends. And this one I didn't add the piece of tape on, but it's fine. Like I said, don't be too hard on yourself when you're making lip gloss. Just be sanitary. Be hard on yourself about being sanitary for sure. because that is the most important thing. Be clean, girl. You don't want no dirty lip glosses, so you better be clean, girl. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I'm filling up the selenite tubes, and there was a lot of air pockets, so that's the sound that you're hearing. The little popping sound is the air pockets. Ooh, this one was messy, but I do wipe off, what do you call it? I wipe off the edges with an alcohol wipe if there is extra lip gloss. Right now I'm just putting, oh wait, actually, yeah, I'm filling up this last one in slow motion because I feel like I want you guys to get a really good angle. It looks good. Mm-hmm. And then I'm just putting the stopper on. And I got out of frames, so I cut the clip, but I'm putting on the top as well. Just closing it up, sealing it. And yeah, that's the selenite gloss. I made 4 of those to put in the gift set. And now, this is another satisfying part for me. I love hearing the sound of water. But I'm just getting ready to clean my lip gloss tube, my little gloss bath. I like using the Dawn soap because it's a good degreaser to help get the extra lip gloss off the outside of the tubes. And then I'm just rinsing it now. At first I went in with the soap, and then I dumped out all the soapy water, and then I'm just rinsing the tubes now, just with water, just cleaning it off. And now I am drying them off with a paper towel. And then at first I started off with a paper towel, and then it was still kind of greasy, probably because I was a little messy. So I grabbed a makeup wipe, and I wiped off the outside of the tube with the makeup wipe, and then went back in with the piece of paper towel. And I just kind of time-lapsed this part because it's just kind of redundant to watch me over and over again dry off the tubes. But I do like watching them lay out on the table. It's kind of satisfying, so I wanted to leave this clip in for you guys as well. I feel like I'm talking too much. But yeah. Because these type of videos, I just want to watch it. I'm like, shut up, stop talking. And now I'm just going back in with the second round of paper towel. Yeah, it's a little extra work, but, you know, I want them tubes to be clean, okay? And then after I finished filming, I decided to fill up a few more tubes. That's why there's way more tubes now than, you know, at the beginning of the video that I showed you when I was filling them up. I was like, I need to restock. I checked my website, and I was like, yeah, I need to put more on there. Clear Quartz and Shelly are my best sellers. And now I'm just putting the label on one of my lip glosses. I actually label all of them, but I only show you one of them. Super easy. I get my labels from Avery.com. I used to get them from Sticker App, but I watched The Real Nai, and she gets her labels from Avery.com, and they work so much better. I love them. They're thinner and they're nicer, and they stick to the squeeze tubes really good. Like, I don't have issues with lifting as much with these labels, so yeah. And the selenite I made on a different day. That's why it's not in this clip. But now we're putting together the holiday gift set. And I got some larger organza bags from Amazon. They're the 5x7. And I also got these gold decorative shreds from Amazon too. So I'm just putting a little bit of that into the bag, you know, squishing it in there. And then I put a holiday a holiday card that I hand writ. I'm not saying that right. But I hand written. I need to go back to school. Somebody help me. And then I'm putting a business card in there as well. But yeah, this is pretty much it, you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this gift set. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Turn on those notifications. Comment below and like the video if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. I love you so much.